Hello everyone, greetings from Sarpan Consulting Services. Today we are going to present you our new mobile application for the property management. Our property and real estate management tool, which we have been using for more than 5 years now and implemented in so many customers. We got many of the customer requested us for the mobile application so that they can have everything handy on their mobile app. So you can see here on the screen the property portal where we can list out all of our properties, and then you can see view all the properties here. Same way on the mobile apps as well, we can see the same properties, and then all of their property details, the photographs, multiple photographs for the property, all the details, and person can send the inquiry. Now this property management application you can see here is for mainly into the property agents and dealers. They can see list of details for the different tenants, their contact details, or their tenancy schedules and everything. They can just view through the property. All of the property details are here, and then they can see what is the rent schedule, how much is the occupancy, and all the details. You can see the occupancy details and what is the ROI of the property, and overall details will be here. If there is a maintenance request on the property, you can see what are the different maintenance requests. All the automated emails and all the bills and everything will be stored into the property record with and attached with the property record. Tenancy, you have tenancy agreements, and on the tenancy agreement, what are the deposit, what are the rent, what is the tenancy duration, what start date, end date, what is the total rent amount, and according to that monthly tenancy schedules will be auto generated. And then some properties you have a landlords, and then you just do the brokerage by the landlord, so those details and everything you can see on the mobile app. So here you can see on the top list of property, tenants, tenancy, what are the land schedule, rent, landlord details, property booking, and maintenance request. So if I got any maintenance request, I can see which employee, which tenant requested what maintenance for which property. All of the details I can see from the mobile. So for the real estate agents, it's make their life easier for managing their list of properties through the mobile app. You can see all the rent schedule, how much is rent is due, how much rent is already paid, and then I can just go on to the rent list. I can see what are the outstanding payments we have, and then whenever you collect any payments, you can just collect payment and make the entries from the mobile application, and then you can do the search on different rent schedule. You can see what are the pending payments. You can just create invoice and post, so whenever you create or receive the payment, so overall details you can see here. All of the details are here. So this is the mobile application specifically for the real estate agents who can track all their properties, rent schedules, tenancy agreements, maintenance requests by tenants, list of available properties. They can just search which are on lease, which are available, not available. You can see these are book, on lease, all the status of the properties are here. For example, this property is available, so I can just make search on the different property listing, and anytime I can see how many properties I have available for the rent or sale. So this is the mobile app. We wish to present the property management. We have the whole course on the Udemy for the overall solution, and this is a very successful product of ours which has been used by many of the customers worldwide. Thanks for watching the video. If you have any idea to improve the mobile applications of the property management, or you wish to add any more features, you can always reach us on contact@serpentcs.com. Thank you.